This is the Chevy Aveo, Daewoo Kalos. I have the 1.5 liter engine. You probably have 1.6 in America, 1.2, 1.4 in Europe. And but anyway, when you are looking for the throttle position sensor, these throttle bodies in these vehicles have dedicated, separate position sensors, which is not that usual for modern cars, but this is not a very modern engine. So this is not the position sensor, this is the idle air control valve, and the throttle position sensor is this black plastic thing on this side. Hard to show. It has two screws. It's quite hard to get to it, but this is the position sensor. It's a very faulty part in these engines, and if it's broken, the car will not know the position of the flap in the throttle, and it will throw the check engine light, and you will have issues with the with everything. Actually, your engine will sputter, your engine will not have the power you want it to have, and it will also be in the limp home mode, running at 1500 RPMs at idle, if the sensor is broken. So the sensor is not that expensive if it's not OEM, but unfortunately the aftermarket sensors are not extremely reliable. So yeah, finding OEM now it's not that easy. So if you are buying aftermarket throttle position sensor, buy something of higher quality. So maybe not the cheapest price is the best option for these sensors.